What's good, YouTube? Y'all ought to know it's your boys. Them boys crazy. Y'all ought to know it's your boy Roach Rob up in this motherfucker, man.
I already know what's going on, man. I know it's your boy Cam Official. Anytime you see our face, you know it's time for another reaction, man.
Man, this right here is best of winter fails. Idiots versus Snow. Bad drivers, brake checks, instant karma, car crash. And then they put the whole goddamn shebang.
Everything you need is right here.
Yeah, we gonna do half of this video right here, y'all, and if y'all messing with it, we gonna do the other half. And I ain't gonna lie, peep, y'all said y'all do be messing with these car videos, bro. So you know what I'm saying? We for sure gonna keep these coming. For sure.
For sure.
Beep, motherfucker!
Hold on, man.
Whenever big SUVs get stuck. And then your little compact fucking Toyota Corolla with a donut can fucking manhandle this hill like it's nothing.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, fuck. So much for nothing.
Oh, that big boy talking.
Stupid.
Now your ass up
Those
there with
were
the game.
northeastern or southeastern states were routed first to San Francisco or Los Angeles. All the Boney Jackson.
What the other day, boy. I was on that E-way next to one of them 18 boys on that ice. The back end of the mother did this right here. Boy, damn. Ooh, I got so
straight up. Alright, tighten up.
Boy, I was on that wheel like this. Boy, I was praying that 18 really didn't come from my side. Boy, I was scared to bug. I ain't gonna lie.
Southwest, northwest.
Look, that's exactly what it did to me.
Some other point across the country. My numbers game was the perfect system for floats.
Oh, have mercy. That's how the Memphis streets was. He on a motorcycle? What is that?
Is he on a bike or a snowmobile?
Snowmobile? Like
I think he
snowmobile.
on a snowmobile. Ooh, that's a bike.
Ooh, his car won't stop. Wow, they lifting up somebody's car. What is that? This somebody's car. That's so much a dog, bro. I saw so much. Hey, he whipping it out though. Imagine getting stopped in a fucking snow, dog, by the police. That's so wicked. And you can't run from them like that for real because it's so icy. He trying to go. Ooh, they stuck.
It's not focusing on him because this is another corner. Oh, yeah, he's not happy. Shh. Get your hands back.
It's the baby.
Alright, go finish packing.
What if they be wrong? Right.
I'm talking about my boy stuck.
I would be scared. I would thought my shit rolled back on mine. Put an emergency brake on.
This is why you don't do everything you see in commercials. Just to
That might say I'm in the Jeep, I'm cool.
He trying to push it up the hill?
No folks get running past.
Oh my life.
this fancy new Jeep. And wait for it. Look at the old Jeep coming down. Oh, he's kind of go backwards. Wait. Oh, he got it this time. Come on.
He meant that big man.
This is definitely going on YouTube.
He gonna build an engine in that
Give that
motherfucker.
everything he got there.
With thousands of star systems.
He in the car mad as hell.
I think he needs snow tires. In his fancy Jeep.
Bro, just get it out there.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Fucking kidding me!
Yes.
Damn, he dropped his phone.
Oh my god. Oh, why am I laughing at someone else's pain?
He gotta turn his wheel sideways and bang back.
Look at that. Bro, pay it, like, look at this.
Oh, why am I laughing at someone else's pain?
Watch it. Everybody going crazy in that bit.
He crazy, cuz. Look how they just rocking, fool. That's somebody that be fucking got that.
Come on.
Okay,
you
come on,
got it.
come on.
Oh, look at that.
Man, this bag, they be bad.
There you go.
He gonna blow the engine in that motherfucker.
He's just making a big ice pile now. He's never gonna get out of it.
How come he was yelling at his own wheel? I can't even hear him.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh.
He's gonna jack up his car. His wheels are so shiny. Look at that. He doesn't have any tread. That's why they're just bald. You can have all the four wheels you want. If they're bald, it ain't doing no good. Oh, there you go. You got it. Come on. Maybe not. We get the active one by him.
He threw that. He on top of it.
He's like,
Damn,
yo, what?
He ain't getting out of there. Bag up, guy. Keep going back.
That's all he gotta do.
This shit is slow. Bag the car back, guys.
Go ahead, finish packing. This guy's gonna jump out and curse someone.
I would just head out the window and say, keep bagging back, bro. It's like he's just smoking shit.
You retarded, bro.
Bro, he never gets mad as hell.
Why doesn't he just back up and like turn the wheels?
That's all he gotta do.
Get some on the asphalt.
Bro,
There we
alright.
go. No, he's gonna end up in that sewer tunnel hole. Oh, there you go. Oh, he got it. Why did he stop? He's a nut.
Oh, my goodness.
He gotta fix
Lord,
the car.
this nigga on my nerves. Bag up more straight. Bag up
Whatever
straight.
trade he's got.
They just rolling past his ass.
That's insane. Oh, dope.
Them like was that beep, you hear me? That's all going on your ass.
Why is he on the ground and he still can't? He's a nut. Why is he like killing it? He's not tired.
Oh god.
Oh, Jesus.
Bro, hold on, cuz. We done already went half of the video.
Bro, we
just
done went
this
half
nigga,
of the video trying to see what this man go do with this car, dog. Like, gee, are you? I don't understand, bro. And then it's so crazy, bro, because all he got to do is one simple move: let it come down, and then slide over to the drop part. He's
he
trying to
gotta
go
do.
over this big chunk of
And
ice,
my whole
dude.
thing is, bro, you been sitting here doing this for I don't know how long. If it's not working, why are you still
Keep going. Like, folks be now. This is what you call idiot.
That's stupidity.
This is an idiot.
I'm just trying to see if he gonna get out.
Me on my life. That's why I'm keeping it going. I want to see if he gonna get out of here.
Oh no, he's gonna get up on the bench. There we go. Don't rev it. Why is he gunning it?
He's saying we asked for help. He didn't want it.
So first of all, this is not a vape pen. Non-electronic, but it's very well made.
Uh-oh.
He needs to just get a shot.
Don't do it, man. Uh-oh.
What the fuck?
Oh, roid rage.
This one is slow. Then he keep looking out the door like this.
Oh, shit.
Ooh. Hey,
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, he was.
Why would he even drive on this side of the road for anyway?
I'm thinking that because of the type of vehicle he in, he thought he could do it. Because I don't know if you noticed, but the dude recording, he was like, well, the words that had popped up earlier was like, this is why you don't do everything you see. You know what I'm saying?
That's why he said that.
Yeah.
Because how they be having on them commercials.
Yeah.
This nigga crazy.
Yeah, let me see what this thing
Let me see,
because
let
I'm
me see.
sure,
I know
like,
this
why
one.
is you even over here?
This nigga's
He
You might well let that motherfucker see right there till that motherfucker melt, goddamn. Let that hot engine get up on that motherfucker.
I ain't caught photo.
I bet when he took it to the side, they like, God damn, what you do to this motherfucker?
I bet every light, sensors, all
What
type.
movie that joke was when he took it to the shop? When they was on that long road trip, it was Silver Entertainer.
Johnson Family
The Johnson Family Vacation, that motherfucker. Or Are We There Yet, that motherfucker on My Life.
Dude is angry. He's very angry. He's very angry. He just cursed out somebody going by who beeped, like, so he wouldn't get hit. He opened up.
What is he doing?
Is he leaving?
What the fuck is this nigga doing?
Oh, hell no. He's gonna put paper towels under the tires.
If he do that, bro.
This is.
What is he doing?
And he almost killed himself because he started getting out and it was still rolling. It's just. I don't know what he's gonna do now.
I'm not gonna keep playing this nigga.
He got
He got out this nigga. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna keep playing this
Just
nigga.
breathe and just gun it back down.
Now he let it go all the way back, like I said. Cut it hard.
Come on, you got it. Watch it. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, he made it. Holy.
Was that the sound of his car when he started driving? It was like,
I'm gonna see.
Got it. Watch it. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, he made it.
No.
this is a kid.
He never got his phone out of the snow.
Oh, when he dropped.
Damn. Yeah, he having a bad day. He just need to calm down.
We might well run it through that.
Yeah, might as well.
Snowplow worker fans himself pushing that huge powers. He hit them? He put out snow on them.
Hey, he low down, bitch.
I hate people that do this.
He hit that joint.
Fake me,
Prosím, ne.
That was nasty. I ain't gonna lie.
Ooh, wee. God damn. You got this car right here, got to get out the way. Because if another truck come,
It's over.
boy, they all running off the E-way. What's going on? Yeah, get your car out the way, gang. That's why you can't play with this snow. I told you, I said it. They gotta get out the car. They gotta get out the car, bro. That is crazy.
Well, everybody got their ass up.
Driver takes everything the truck is on. Look at that. She getting loose. Don't even go clean off the clip. That's so damn slow.
Why, bro?
That shit don't make no damn sense.
Shit. Ooh, police. Come on, get
On
him.
me, come on, slow ass shit. Them from ass to ass. Ooh. thought he was finna really crush that mom. Oh, Lord. Bro, that snow ain't no hope, bro. That snow and that rain, bro.
I'm talking about, we watched my boy get up out there. I'm talking about the whole video.
The whole video, look slow ass. I can't stand for. I just can't stand. I know you frustrated, bro.
But
don't do all that if I'm trying to help you, bro. That happened to
he cussing folks out in there.
that happened to me with bro the Camaro. When we getting out the car, we trying to help. We like, you good? He like this. I'd like, fuck you then, nigga. I'd have hit the back of your nigga. Throw a snowball at that motherfucker all my life. But hey, though, if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. If y'all like the rest, don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy, them boy crazy. We out.